Welcome to the front desk.
Hello, I have a problem.
What is the issue, sir?
My room key does not work.
Let me see the card.
Here is the plastic card.
It looks slightly scratched up.
Can you fix it now?
Yes, I will update it.
What is my room number?
You are in room 3.
The door lock stayed red.
I am reprogramming the code.
Also, the room is cold.
Is the heater turned on?
Yes, but no air blows.
I will call maintenance up.
Thank you very much, miss.
Here is your new key.
Let us test it together.
Walk to the elevator area.
I'm carrying my bag.
The elevator is coming down.
This hotel is very big.
Yes, we have 5 floors.
My room is upstairs here.
Insert the new key card.
Look, the light turned green.
Perfect. The door is open.
Now check the broken heater.
The maintenance man is here.
Hello, please look inside.
He is checking the wire.
Is the wire fully broken?
No, the switch was loose.
Oh, warm air is coming.
Great. The problem is solved.
I can relax nicely now.
Do you need extra blankets?
No, the temperature is fine.
Have a wonderful night, sir.
Thank you for your help.
Excuse me, waiter.
Yes, miss. How can I help?
This is the wrong coffee.
What did you order today?
I ordered a hot latte.
This looks like black coffee.
Yes, and it has sugar.
I am very sorry, miss.
I do not drink sugar.
I will take it back.
Please bring a plain latte.
Do you want soy milk?
No, plain milk is fine.
I am writing it down.
Thank you. I am hungry.
Did you order a snack?
Yes, a chocolate sweet muffin.
Let me check the kitchen.
Is the muffin ready yet?
Yes, it is on tray.
Please bring it with the latte.
I am walking fast now.
The cafe is very busy.
Many people come here noon.
Here is your correct drink.
The latte smells very good.
Look at the white foam.
Is there any sugar inside?
No, this is completely plain.
Taste it carefully now, miss.
This tastes absolutely perfect. Thank you.
I am glad you like.
The muffin is warm too.
Fresh from the hot oven.
You are a good waiter.
Thank you for your patience.
No problem. Mistakes happen easily.
Enjoy your lunch break today.
Hello. Are you the postman?
Yes. Good afternoon, lady, miss.
Do you have mail today?
Yes, I have a package.
Who is the package for?
It is for Sarah Jenkins.
That is my exact name.
Please sign this electronic screen.
I am signing my name.
Here is your heavy box.
Wow, this box is large.
What is inside the box?
It is my new books.
Books are very heavy objects.
Yes, I love reading daily.
Do you have letters too?
Let me check my bag.
Here are 2 white letters.
One is a water bill.
Bills are never fun, right?
No, but we must pay.
The sun is very hot.
Would you like cold water?
Yes, please. Walking is tiring.
Here is a fresh bottle.
Thank you. It is freezing.
You work very hard every day.
I walk 5 miles daily.
That is excellent healthy exercise.
Yes, but my feet hurt.
Rest under the porch shade.
I will sit 2 minutes.
Take your time, friendly postman.
I have 10 more houses.
Goodbye, Sarah. Have a good day.
Excuse me, can you help?
Yes, are you lost, miss?
Yes, where is the museum?
It is down this street.
Is it very far away?
No, just a 10-minute walk.
Do I turn left here?
No, go straight past park.
I see the green park.
Walk until the traffic light.
What do I do then?
Turn right at Big Bank.
Is the building very large?
Yes, it has white pillars.
Thank you. I am visiting.
Where are you from, traveler?
I am from sunny Spain.
Welcome to our beautiful city.
Thank you. People are nice.
Do you have a map?
No, my phone battery died.
That is very hard luck.
I can remember your words.
Straight, then right at bank.
Perfect. I have it now.
The museum closes at 5.
Oh, I must hurry up.
Walk quickly down the block.
Is admission free today, sir?
Yes, on Wednesdays it is.
That is wonderful news. Thanks.
Enjoy the ancient history art.
I will take many photos.
Have a safe journey, miss.
Hello, welcome to our boutique.
Hello, I need a gift.
Who is the gift for?
It is for my mother.
What does she like mostly?
She loves red silk scarves.
We have beautiful ones here.
Look at this bright red.
That is pure soft silk.
Touch it, it feels smooth.
How much does it cost?
It is $40 today.
That is a good price.
We can wrap it nicely.
Yes, please, with a ribbon.
What color ribbon do you want?
A gold ribbon looks elegant.
I am wrapping the box.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, insert your card here.
Type your secret personal code.
The payment is completely done.
Here is your wrapped gift.
My mother will love this.
She has very good taste.
Thank you for helping, miss.
It is my absolute pleasure.
Do you sell jackets too?
Yes, in the back room.
I will look next time.
We have a big sale.
That sounds very interesting indeed.
Have a wonderful evening, sir.
Goodbye. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, dental clinic desk.
Hello, I need an appointment.
What is your name, sir?
My name is John Smith.
Are you a new patient?
Yes, this is my first.
What is your phone number?
It is 5550.
Okay, I have it typed.
Is the doctor free tomorrow?
He is free at 2.
2 o'clock is perfect time.
Do you have insurance coverage?
Yes, I have my card.
Bring the card tomorrow, please.
Should I arrive early today?
Yes, 10 minutes before time.
To fill out paper forms?
Yes, we need your history.
My tooth hurts a bit.
Drink only warm water now.
Okay, I will avoid ice.
The doctor is very gentle.
That makes me feel better.
See you tomorrow at 2.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome, John.
Have a good day, miss.
Goodbye. Take care of tooth.
I will. See you then.
The internet is completely down.
Let us check the router.
Are the lights green or red?
They are blinking bright red.
Unplug the main black wire.
I am pulling it out.
Wait for 30 long seconds.
I am counting the time.
Now plug it back in.
The lights are flashing fast.
Are they turning green now?
No, they stayed bright red.
We must call customer support.
Dial the number on back.
Hello, our internet is broken.
What is your account number?
It is 9876.
Let me check your line.
Is there a neighborhood outage?
Yes, a main line broke.
When will it be fixed?
In about 2 hours, miss.
Okay, thank you for checking.
We must wait patiently now.
I cannot finish my work.
Let us read paper books.
That is a good idea.
Screens use too much time.
True. A break is nice.
The network will return soon.
Check your laptop signal again.
It still has 0 bars.
Try using your hotspot.
The hotspot signal is slow.
We can only send texts.
That is fine for now.
Let us play a game.
I have a chessboard.
Set the pieces up, Leo.
I am ready to play.
Hello, welcome to the house.
Wow, this living room is huge.
Yes, it has much light.
How many bedrooms are here?
There are 3 large bedrooms.
Let us look at kitchen.
The kitchen counters are granite.
The stove looks brand new.
Yes, it was installed recently.
Is there a backyard grass?
Yes, perfect for a dog.
I have a golden retriever.
He will love this yard.
What is the monthly rent?
It is $1,200.
Is water included in rent?
Yes, water and trash removal.
That is a fair deal.
The neighborhood is very quiet.
Are there schools nearby here?
Yes, 1 block away. Look.
I want to sign lease.
Excellent. Let us fill papers.
I have my deposit money.
Perfect. You can move Saturday.
I am very excited now.
This house is a gem.
Thank you for showing me.
You are very welcome, sir.
Where do I park car?
There is a private garage.
Does it have electronic remote?
Yes, I will give keys.
Let us check the closet.
It is inside the bedroom.
Wow, it has many shelves.
It holds many clothes easily.
I like the wooden floor.
It is very easy clean.
Everything looks perfect here today.
Hello, welcome to the library.
Hi, I am returning books.
Put them in this bin.
Are any of them late?
Let me scan the barcode.
This history book was due.
It is 2 days late.
Is there a late fine?
Yes, it is 50 cents.
Here is a silver coin.
Thank you. You are clear.
I need a new book.
What topic do you prefer?
I want a science book.
Walk to aisle number 4.
Is it on top shelf?
Yes, the space books are.
I see a large book.
That one has great pictures.
Can I borrow it today?
Yes, give me your card.
Here is my library card.
You have it for weeks.
2 weeks is perfect time.
Do not bring it late.
I will read it fast.
Enjoy your quiet study time.
Thank you, kind librarian miss.
Do you need computer access?
Yes, to print a paper.
Use computer number 5 today.
Is the printer next there?
Yes, paper is inside it.
Thank you. How much print?
It is 10 cents page.
I will print 3 pages.
Pay at the front desk.
Okay, I will do that.
Hello, I have a prescription.
Let me see the paper.
The doctor wrote it today.
This is for allergy medicine.
Yes, my eyes are watery.
Do you feel very sleepy?
Yes, the pollen is bad.
Take 1 pill every night.
Should I take with food?
Yes, with a glass water.
Are there any side effects?
It might make you dizzy.
Okay, I will not drive.
That is a very safe choice.
How much is the total?
It is $15, miss.
Here is cash money bill.
Here is your paper bag.
Thank you for explaining clearly.
It is my job, miss.
Have a wonderful, safe day.
I hope you feel better.
Thanks. Goodbye for now, pharmacist.
Goodbye. Take care of health.
Wait, can I buy vitamins?
Yes, they are on shelf.
Which vitamin brand is best?
The organic orange bottle is.
It has much vitamin C.
Yes, it builds immune system.
I will take that too.
Adding it to total bill.
Here is the extra money.
Thank you. Stay healthy, miss.
Hello, what can I get you?
I want to try fish and chips.
Is this your first time?
Yes, so I need help.
No problem. We have cod or haddock.
What is the difference?
Cod is mild and very popular.
And what about haddock?
Haddock has a slightly stronger flavor.
Which one do beginners usually choose?
I would recommend the cod.
Great, I will have cod.
Would you like a regular portion?
Yes, that should be enough.
Our fish has fresh, crispy batter.
What exactly is batter?
It is the crispy outside coating.
Oh, I understand now.
Would you like salt and vinegar?
What kind of vinegar?
We usually use malt vinegar.
Is the taste very strong?
A little, so try some first.
I will have a small amount.
Would you like mushy peas?
I have never heard of them.
They are soft, cooked green peas.
Are they popular with this meal?
Yes, many people enjoy them.
Then I should try them.
Would you like eating in?
What is the other choice?
You can take the food away.
I will eat here today.
Great, your order is almost ready.
These chips look very thick.
British chips are thicker than fries.
And crisps are potato chips.
Exactly. The words are different here.
That can be confusing.
You will remember after today.
Here comes my first bite.
What do you think?
The fish is really crispy.
Try some malt vinegar now.
That gives it more flavor.
Do you like the mushy peas?
Yes, they are surprisingly good.
I am glad you tried everything.
This was a great first experience.
Come back whenever you are hungry.
I definitely will. Thank you.